And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I say it clear, I state my case, of which I'm certain. I've lived life that's full. I've traveled each in every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets, I've had a few. Then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do and saw it through without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I beat over more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up and spit it out. Oh, I faced it all and understood all. I did it my way. I've loved, I've laughed and cried, and had my fills, my share of losing. And now, as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think that I did all that. And may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, oh no, 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 not me. I did it my way. For what is a woman? What has she got? Even not herself. Then she has not to say a thing. She truly fails. And now the words of one who nails. Oh, the record shows I took the blow.